Do you want to take control of your finances and make the most of your hard-earned money? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the essential guide on how to handle your money every time you get paid. Way 1. Budget like a boss. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of financial stability. By knowing exactly how much you earn and where your money is going, you can make informed decisions about your spending. Way 2. Pay yourself first. Treat your savings like a non-negotiable expense. Setting aside a portion of your income for savings before anything else ensures that you are prioritizing your financial future. Way 3. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income grows, it can be tempting to increase your spending. However, by staying mindful of your expenses and avoiding unnecessary splurges, you can build wealth more effectively. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Way 4. Clear out your debts. High-interest debts can be a significant drain on your finances. Prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first to free up more money for saving and investing. Way 5. Invest in your future. Building wealth isn't just about saving, it's also about investing. Consider diversifying your investment portfolio to maximize returns and secure your financial future. Way 6. Emergency funds are a must. Life is unpredictable, and having an emergency fund can provide you with a financial safety net during unforeseen circumstances. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Way 7. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings, investments, and bill payments to ensure that you stay on track with your financial goals effortlessly. Way 8. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to finances. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, and money management to make informed decisions. Way 9. Track your spending. Keeping tabs on where your money is going is crucial for financial success. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Way 10. Review and adjust regularly. Financial planning is a dynamic process that requires regular evaluation and adjustments. Review your financial goals periodically and make necessary changes to stay on track. And there you have it, folks. 10 effective ways to handle your money every time you get paid. By implementing these strategies into your financial routine, you can achieve financial stability and pave the way for a prosperous future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable financial tips and insights. Until next time, take care and manage your money like a pro. Stay tuned.